Hello everyone, welcome to this wonderful video on H2i TopUp and N. Today I want to share with you guys how to use the new HTE champion app. Okay, HTE is just the short form for H2i TopUp and N. Okay, it's an abbreviation. Okay, and champion is because I am a champion. Okay, so combining the two, you now have HTE champions app. Okay. So you can see we have two options here. You have the H2i TopUp and N platform. You now have the education platform. Okay, so the education platform will enable you see videos, okay, already released videos and upcoming videos. All right, upcoming videos and released videos. So the upcoming videos are labeled private videos. You can click on them to try and access it. Definitely you can access it. Okay, that's for the private videos. Okay, you can access them. The only thing is that you won't be able to see what the title is. So but when you click to access it, you see what the title is. Okay, so for the platform, this is the login place, okay, or page, login page. So you put in your login details to access it. But if you are using this app and you haven't signed up and you want to sign up, all you have to do is click on the menu, click on join now. Okay, if you want to have access to any other information, whether it's the home page, the services, the commissions, updates, support, okay, all you have to do is click any of these options and you have access to it. Is that simple? Okay, we just wanted to make the app look simple. Okay, we might introduce a separate page for signing up. All right, we might introduce a separate page for signing up. Okay, so but for now, this is what we have of the H2i app for my team and anyone else who wants to have access to training videos about H2i TopUp and N. So if you want to have access to these videos and you want to always get notification anytime there's a video, then get the app. Okay, get the app. Read my lips, get the app. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Okay, if you want to sign up, click on the link below to sign up, or you can contact me and I'll help you sign up. If you're signing up by yourself, make sure that your debit card is enabled to make payments. Okay, if it's not enabled to make payment online, all you have to do is contact me, send me your details, do transfer to the account I will provide, and I will help you do your registration, just like I'm helping every other person do their own registration. Okay, the goal is to get you on board, then show you how to utilize the airtime, show you how to utilize the pay TV and also how to leverage all these things to now generate revenue for yourself. So guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you are ready to sign up, you know what to do. Get across to me or click on the link below and sign up. So I'll see you next time. Take care and bye for now.